Oh, okay, sorry. Erica Williamson. I am a lecturer with Middle Tennessee State University. It's been great. My contact has been Tariq Muhammad, and I have had his help with any questions that I've needed. I had something happen over the weekend I had a question about, and I was able to get help quickly from one of your support team. I have not had any issues so far using uCertify, so very happy. Yeah, I've noticed improvements. We have to, for my particular class, they have to do a project where they apply what they learned from the uCertify Linux Labs platform. So they're able to do that on their own after doing the labs. They seem to like it in regards to other platforms because our department they use Cengage and Pearson. And I've heard feedback that they prefer you certify to those two. So pretty good. It was very easy because I also teach a class using Pearson, and with you certify, go, I had to click less links to get to where I needed to go for instructor tools than I do for other platforms. So it was very easy. And in the beginning, I should have, but I was just kind of clicking around myself to learn because that's how I learn. I have a hard time learning from reading instructions and watching videos because I don't have any patience. So I'll try to just do it myself, and I was able to navigate. It was pretty user friendly. So um, I do like how the platform's laid out. It's the labs, since they're auto graded and very accurate with their grading. I haven't had a lot of issues where I've had to go in and look and see why the grade hasn't synced or anything. So I've definitely saved time in my classes and am able to hit the learning outcomes I need because I know that in the U-Certify labs, the students are doing the topics they're supposed to be doing and getting the outcome they need from the course. So that's helped me a lot in relying on their knowledge for other tasks that they're learning from the U-Certify labs. Yes, yes, and that's where the lunch and learn came in because one of my colleagues came in and said that she wanted a platform and she didn't want to use Cengage for project management. And so when I saw your lunch and learn email come through, I took that opportunity so she could learn about you certify, and she came away from the meeting very positive about it and probably will incorporate it in her classes. So that and the chair of the department probably will recommend using you certify to uh, professors that are redeveloping their courses.